Hey guys, today I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me. I want to do my makeup a specific way, but I don't want to use all new products. I want to use products that I know and love, stuff that I've been using, and just kind of do my makeup. It's maybe kind of more of a tutorial style video. It's not something that I haven't done before. It's not like I'm going in with a crazy eye look. This is my go-to, I want to feel beautiful makeup. And this is what I've been gravitating to lately. Especially with this hair, I'm really liking minimal eye makeup and just really glowy, fresh, dewy, nude. You guys know, this is me. This is what I do. I know it can get repetitive and irritating, especially when this is the majority of stuff that we see on YouTube, but I also sometimes see these crazy colorful eye looks and I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm not gonna wear that out. I do wear crazy makeup out, but I'm definitely more of a neutral person, and I feel like probably the majority of you guys watching are as well. And I feel like along with the crazy cut creases and blue and pink and rainbow eye looks that we all know and love, I think it's really nice too to see how somebody does their everyday go-to makeup. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. We're gonna chat about stuff in between, and it's just gonna be a fun laid back video. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can also follow me on all my other social media stuff. So Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, everything is RawBeautyKristi, and let's get into it. I'm going to start with concealer on my eyelids. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. As always, this is one of my favorites. I feel like it's one of my most used concealers. I swear to God, my life is literally a constant struggle of plucking hairs out of my face. They grow like bamboo. The hair on my head, 16 years to grow 1 inch. Hair on my chin, 16 minutes to grow 18 inches. What's so weird about facial hair too is like I will not even see it. It's not there. I look in the mirror every single day on my chin to make sure that like we have no rogue strays. And then I step outside and I have one on my chin that's 14 inches long. It's as thick as hell, and it's how did I not notice you? I'm about ready to film the first in a series that I'm about to start. I'm going to talk all about different topics. I basically want to start a conversation between subscribers and YouTubers because I feel like there's this huge disconnect in the industry right now, and so many people are feeling a specific way, and I feel like a lot of times it gets misconstrued. It's almost as if we are butting heads and opposing views because each side is going to see things differently, because I think a lot of us can't empathize with the other side. If we hope to have a good relationship with you and you hope to have a good relationship with us, we need to understand where each other are coming from. And I think having an open mind would change so much of that. I just took the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I just did my brows with those. I just find those products to be so easy to work with, and I love the outcome. And then now I'm going to use this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer Palette, and I'm just going to take some of these shades out of here and run them through my crease. Move on to the skin. I'm going to be using the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation. This has been my go-to this month. I just keep going back to it. I repurchased another bottle of it and forgot just how magical this makes my skin look, and I've been loving it so much. It is too dark for me, but it also, like, I don't care. I'll run it all the way down my neck because the finish is so stunning. It is very heavily scented, which again, I mentioned this in my last video, I do hate. But I don't find that this breaks me out at all, which I think is nice. My biggest beef with this foundation is the trash shade range. I've been talking about this since I first started using this like 8 months ago. Even for pale skin, you're looking at awful undertones. Like I think that this foundation is so beautiful, but it's too dark for fair skin and too light for deep skin. It's just, I don't know. I hate that. And I feel like the demand for this foundation should justify that they bring out a lot more shades of this on both ends of the spectrum with different undertones, because this is one of the lightest shades and it is so dark. And I like it, but I'll bring it down my neck and show you just how different the shade is. I literally have to run this so far down my body, but it's such a waste of product. I know some of you might ask what the difference is in this and Pro Glow and why I'm not using Pro Glow. Sometimes it's nice to switch it up. I literally have to run this like all the way down my chest because it's so different. I was going to test out the new Pure Cosmetics like powder to cream concealer today. I didn't because I wanted my makeup to look good for the next video, and I just have a feeling it might not. kind of lighten up and conceal certain areas that need a little bit more coverage, like down here. The Vitalist is really beautiful, but like that foundation I tried the other day, the Maybelline full coverage one, that one's definitely a fuller coverage where I didn't need to conceal my redness down here. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set my under eyes. I also set areas that I'm going to put on like my contour and bronzer and stuff like that with this foundation because it stays slightly tacky, and I don't set my entire face, just the areas that I know I'm going to be powdering, because otherwise it can start to look a teensy bit patchy. Now I'm going back in with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm just gonna kind of contour and bronze up my face a little bit. I've liked this brush for doing this. It's one of these little synthetic brushes, like from NYX is this one here. This is the 08 brush, and I don't know, I feel like for contour and bronzer lately, this has been really nice. I'm so excited because I've been talking about it for a long time and talking about getting my house fixed and everything, and I just contacted the contractor yesterday. We made up our minds we're gonna go with this guy. He's expensive, but what contractor isn't? And honestly, the pricing seems relatively in line with other contractors that we've spoken to, and we're actually gonna try to see if he can get started like ASAP. Oh man, it has been almost 4 years that we've been waiting to start on our house. And the product I've actually been using the most, I didn't bring up here, but that's okay. That's the Benefit Cheek Parade palette. Those were some of the best purchases I've made because they just are so universally nice. And I've really been liking them a lot. The Cheek Parade has the 3 blushes and then the Hoola and Hoola Light bronzer in there. They're really nice. But I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Blush Bazaar that I bought. Just kind of mixing these shades together. And then the highlighter I keep always gravitating back to is the OFRA Rodeo Drive. You guys know this is one of my all-time favorites. It's just such a beautiful highlight, and it keeps being the one I always gravitate back to, which says something. So, but it's just not lackluster. This lighting can never do highlighter justice. It just can't. And then before I do my eyes, because I don't want any sort of melting happening, I'm going to use my favorite setting spray, the CoverFX Illuminating Setting Spray. And I'm going to like remove the powderiness of this. I definitely want to make a video on how to apply false lashes for beginners. I think it would be really helpful. I could film that right now, right before I'm about to apply them. Maybe I will. Maybe I will film this and do like a separate video. I actually think that would be really beneficial. I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. All right, and I just actually filmed a full lash video and I feel like I killed it. No lie, I must have just been in the right mood to teach, because I feel like I covered all my points without saying and speaking so clearly throughout the entire thing. I don't know, I just feel like that went really well. I also feel really beautiful right now, so today's a great day. I feel great today too. I mean, my health has made such an improvement. It must be the weather. Even though today's kind of overcasty, I've been drinking water. I've been drinking so much. Before this last week, you'd be hard pressed to see me drinking 1 glass of water every 2 weeks. That sounds awful, but I lived off of coffee, tea, diet soda. That's not good, and I know it's not good for me, and I'm like, why do I feel so sick? And it's like, well, maybe because you treat your body like literal dog shit. So I've been drinking water, taking vitamins, going in the sunshine, writing in my bullet journal, going to bed early, waking up early, feeling so much better. I'm gonna do my lips the way I've been doing my lips for like the last 6 months. That is the NYX Mauve Lip Liner. Maybelline Beige Babe. I'm wearing NYX Circe. I know, look at this. Oh my god. I bought a new tube of this, but I feel like it's different. I feel like they changed the formula and are lying to me. Wet n Wild Mochalicious to get rid of the buttholiness. We're going in with a different gloss today. I'm going to use Hella from Tarte. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. This is my go-to everyday glam. Like, this is when I want to look beautiful, feel beautiful, just look put together, but not like I'm wearing too much makeup. Because when you see this in person, it doesn't look cakey. It really doesn't. And I don't think it does on camera either. I'm loving my new hair so much. I definitely think I like this hair more parted to the side. And I don't know. What do you guys think? Side or middle? Last video was middle. This video is side. Let me know what you guys think. But I think this is more me parted to the side. I don't know. Let me guys know. Well, I hope you guys like this video. I know this was a little bit of a less chatty video, but more just kind of going through the steps. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You guys can also follow me on all my other social media stuff. Everything is RawBeautyKristi. So Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. I say this all the time, but Twitter is the place where everything is. That's where I am all day, every day. If I have a question, it's Twitter. If I have to bitch about something, Twitter. If I want to cry, Twitter. So definitely follow me there if you do not yet. And even if you're like, I don't understand Twitter and I hate it. Yeah, I was that bitch too, and now I'm obsessed with it, so. All right, guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you at my next video. Bye! This makeup look after, just know that, or if you guys, whatever, you get it. That back there. Ooh, triangle head is out to play. Just skin focus, skin focus, skin focus. Sounds like I'm saying skin fuckers. Skin fuckers, skin fuckers. Frick. Fucking cats, man. Hey! Fucking neighbor cat, man. Comes over here, causing problems. We can't sympathize. Is it empathy? Hey Siri, what's the definition of empathy versus sympathy? Now I'm going back in with the Tarte Avenue Princess. Just Shirley do. I keep saying Shirley. Is that a word? I keep saying it though. Like, this is like the third time in 2 days I've said Shirley. Merely. Hey Siri, is Shirley a word? If I can find it. Weirdly enough, I just saw it like 5 seconds ago. Where did the fuck did it go? Was it not up here? Did I take it downstairs? It might be downstairs. BRB. I'm gonna go check downstairs. I look orange all of a sudden. Alright. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna... Why am I shaking that when I'm talking? I smell fire. I'm guessing my neighbors are burning something because I don't think that is. I mean, I smell fire, but it's not in my house. Now we're going in with a different gloss today. Today I'm going to use this. What is with that airplane? And this is the finished look here. I hope you guys...